guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this vlog, मैं जा रही हूँ घर महाराष्ट्र. Come, let's travel with me.
चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
सुबह काफ़ी रश था. लास्ट मिनट्स बैग वे कर रही थी. पता नहीं क्यों हर बार कुछ ना कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ही निकल जाता है. फिर एयरपोर्ट के लिए निकल रही थी. एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंचते ही मैंने किया सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट काम, फूड. I had breakfast and I literally spent only 40 rupees on my breakfast. 1 hour before I fly, I've done the boarding, checking everything. This is so new for me that I am so ahead of time on the airport. Usually I reach when the boarding starts.
जिस राह पे तुम चल रहे हो बेटा, एक दिन बुरी तरह फंसोगे.
Anyways, we have about 1 hour, so we can study now and complete 2 hours worth of lecture on 2x. Honestly, I love these small study pockets. Bus headphones, my iPad and my notes. It's actually quite peaceful to be studying in a place so chaotic. ये मोमेंट मुझे इतना क्यूट लगा. एक ओल्ड लेडी फ्लाइट के वीडियोस बना रहे थे विद फुल एक्साइटमेंट. इट जस्ट रिमाइंडेड मी हाउ ब्यूटीफुल सिंपल जॉयस कैन बी. अब टाइम आ गया था फ्लाइट बोर्ड करने का. एज सुन एज आई बोर्डेड द फ्लाइट, मैंने सोचा सिंस आई हैव सम टाइम ऑन माई हैंड, लेट्स स्टार्ट स्टडिंग. Yes, you heard me right. The doctor in me can never miss moments like these where I can just sit and study without disturbance. पढ़ते पढ़ते टेक ऑफ का टाइम हो गया and we were already in the air. This here you can see is the city of joy, Kolkata, and it is so beautiful. A few hours later the scenery totally changed. We were now above Maharashtra and I was trying to locate the few places that I know जो यहाँ पे मैंने बता दिए, like Darodi Hill, windmills. And soon we were landing in the city of Pune, which is also my hometown. And we have landed in Pune airport. As soon as I left the airport, हमारे घर का private unpaid driver मेरा भाई मुझे पिक करने आया हुआ था. He took me to lunch and then we left for home, which was another 3 hours from here. The usual 3-hour ride became 4 hours including the traffic, and at this point मेरी एनर्जी पूरी तरह से ख़त्म हो चुकी थी. Finally मैं घर पहुँच गई. Here's my cute mama who is always the happiest to see me. Then we had chai and I told her about my boring travel day. इसके बाद I had to study because I had to complete that day's targets. And then मेरा nephew, my cute nephew came. Is always such a bliss to see and he always grows so much bigger when I see him. अभी देखो he's half the height of me. I'm so sad that he's growing up so fast, but he's annoying. फिर वो कुछ तो लेके आया था and then I can't see unopened parcels in my place, so I opened it. And he is always checking my bag because he knows कि फू आई है तो गिफ्ट्स तो लेके आएगी. He loved his gifts. I am so happy about that. And that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.